Opening. The most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or touched. They are felt with the heart. Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I, your name, from class, will be conducting this beautiful morning assembly. Prayer. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. So now let's seek deeper in our soul, close eyes, join hands, and let's start the prayer. News. It's essential to understand the world beyond our textbooks. Staying informed is crucial in this rapidly evolving world. It reflects our awareness. So to bridge the gap between our classroom and global happenings, here is name of the student who will bring us the latest news of today. Thought of the day. A good thought in the morning can change your whole day. New thoughts in the morning work like fire. So I would like to present name of the student for today's thought. New word. If we want to master any language, we need to increase our vocab, and the best way is to learn new words daily. So here is for today's new word. GK questions. Knowledge isn't just about facts. It's about understanding the world and our place in it. So to sharpen our minds, here is name of the student with his or her cheeky questions. Birthday announcement. Birthdays are special occasions that call for a special celebration with special people. So let's wish the birthday boy or girl student's name of class. National Anthem. Starting always has an end. Now we have also reached the end of our daily morning assembly. It is a prime responsibility of every citizen to feel that his country is free and defending its freedom is his duty. So let's all together sing our national anthem.